So let me just read out the rules once again to all of you. Number of rounds will be 8. Question per round will be 6. Teams, 3 teams will be there representing the 3 different houses. Per team, will be having 6 members. Round 1, 2, and 3 will be a non-passing round. Round 4, 5, and 5th and 6th will be the passing round. Round 7 and 8 will be discussion round. Got it? I told you that here the team leader will be taking the call after discussing the question among the team members, and he will be announcing the final answer. So if I was talking about this rule that if a team passes the question during the passing round, only half of the allotted marks, that is 2 marks, will be awarded to the team for the correct response. Okay, so whosoever the team after passing the question, will be answering, so 2 marks will be awarded to that in spite of full marks because it was a bonus mark. Okay, each house will get 2 questions in each round. Okay, now round in details. Yeah, so number of rounds will be this. The first round will be MCQ round, and 20 seconds will be allotted to this, and for per correct response 4 marks will be awarded to you. The second round will be who am I round. Here you have to guess the answer. Okay, guess the person. So again, as you can see that the time allotted for all the rounds is same and marks allotted for all the rounds are same. So time is 20 seconds and marks per correct response, that is 4. Now let me read out this only the rule rounds to you. Third round will be the direct questions round. Direct question, based on the theme Tokyo Olympics 2020, will be asked to you. Fourth will be having unjumble the jumble round. In this, you will be given a game, but its spelling will be jumbled. You have to identify which game it is. Okay. In fifth round, that's a visual round. Here, some pictures will be shown to you, and you have to identify the player in the visual round. Sixth will be perfectly imperfect. I think from the word itself is very much clear. As something which is perfect but will make it imperfect, and you have to again make it perfect. Fine. So here, perfectly imperfect, you will be given a merged image, of the players, and you have to identify and tell the name of the players. Fine. Number-based questions here. In the 7th round, you will be given a chance to choose your lucky number 1 to 6. And once you choose your lucky number, you will be displayed a question over there. And finally, one question, will be coming after, selecting that lucky number. And accordingly, you have to answer the question. Fine. Here, in the last round, we have a video round. In this one video, a short clip, will be played for you based on Tokyo Olympics 2020. From the video itself, you have to, find out the answer, because you have to watch it very carefully, very seriously. Each and every corner of the video, you have to, watch it seriously and religiously, so that you can answer the question, whatever will be asked related to that. Got it? So here, these 8 rounds, will be there. Fine. These are the participants. Let me introduce the participants from Buddha House first. We have Manpreet Sharma from 6th A, who will be representing Buddha House. Next, we have Manya from 6th A, Gargi Sharma from 7th A, Utsav Kumar from 7th B, Lucky Charul, that's from 8th C, and Sakshi Bhardwaj, who will be leading the team and from 8th C. So these are the participants who will be representing Buddha House. I welcome Buddha House participants to the Inter-House Sports Quiz competition. Next, we move to Vyas House. Here we have Bhavya Kumar from 6th B, Bhumit Man from 6th B. We have Riyan Man from 7th A, Arshia from 7th A, Arihant 8th A, and Shore Daya, who will be leading the team from 8th B. So again, welcome to the Vyasins as well to the competition, and all the best. Near we have the next house, Riddhi from 6th B, will be representing. Tanishka Chaudhary from 6th B, will be representing Dhanand House. Ayush Bhati, that's from 7th A. Mayank Jalwani from 7th B. Bhavya Sehrawat from 8th A, and Utkarsh will be leading the team from 8th C. I welcome Dhanand House as well to the competition, and I wish all the best to all of you. So next, we have the quiz will be conducted in two segments. Let me tell you. There will be a straight drive where the direct questions will be there in the first segment, okay, and the second segment will be based on the visuals. So it will be a visual round where pictures, videos, okay, merging of the picture will be used, and in this way the questions will be asked to you. So in this way, in two segments, the today's competition will be contested there. Fine. Now, rounds in details there. Everyone, please keep your video on, because yesterday also I told you in the dry run session that you all have to keep your video on. If anyone is found without their video on, so he or she will be disqualified there. So please, each and every one, you all are requested to maintain the decorum in the competition. Please. Now rounds in details. In the round one, that will be the MCQ round, okay, and it will be multiple choice questions, round where it will be a general aptitude to check your knowledge. Got it? You can consider it as an ice-breaking session sort of thing. So here, the first round, only 6th class student will be answering. I will be calling out the name to whom this, who will be answering the question. That child only will answer the question from 6th class. Okay, so you have to wait till then I call out the name. Got it? So here, the first round, only 6th class student will be answering. The things will be going in rotation. Okay, house-wise the question will go, and you will have to answer. Fine. Now the next second round, we have who am I round, and it will be a clue round. Okay, so you'll be given a question in the form of a clue, and here only 7th class student will answer the question once I call out the name. Okay, the third round will be a direct questions round. Here some direct questions based on Tokyo Olympics 2020 you will be showcased, and finally from class 8 will only be answering. Okay, next round we have Unjumble the Jumble round. Rotation will again start. That from 4th round, here 6th class student will only be answering the question, and the question will be in the form of a puzzle to you. Okay, so that puzzle you have to solve it. Fine. 5th round we have the visual round. Its clues will be given, but the student has to identify the individual player there. Fine. And student from 7th class will be answering the question there. Next round we have perfectly imperfect, which I've already described to you, that here some merged images will be displayed to you, and a student from class 7th will only be answering the question. Sorry, from 8th will be answering the question. Got it? Next we have number based questions and video round. These two rounds will be discussion rounds. Here team captain will only be answering the question. Got it? So let's see. And last round we have also prepared that in case of a tie, we expect that of course it should go well, but still in that case we are ready for the same. So you'll be going to the tiebreaker round. This will also be a discussion round where team captain will only take the call. I hope I have made the thing clear. Got it?
Sir, how can we discuss round?
Only the question will go to one team. Suppose the question goes to Buddha House. In that case, Buddha House will only be getting the chance to discuss. Buddha House participants, they're allowed to unmute themselves, and team leader can discuss the question. And after discussing the answer, the finally team captain will only be telling the answer. Got it? So this way, the things can be done. So we move ahead, everyone. So the first question from Buddha House for class 6. Okay.
6th class.
Okay. 6th class student will only be answering the question once I call out the name. Okay. So let me call out the name to whom this question will be addressed. Okay. So the first question from Buddha House for class 6. Okay. The first question goes to Manpreet Sharma from 6th A. Before heading to the question, let me make you the rules clear here. A question along with 4 options with 1 correct response will be flashed on the screen, and the contestant has to choose the correct option within a stipulated time of 20 seconds. Correct? The participant is not allowed to retrace the answer. Okay, you cannot repeat the answer once you have spoken, unless he or she is asked to repeat by the quiz master. Unless or until I ask you to repeat, you won't be repeating it. Got it? So 20 seconds will be given to you. Utilize the time properly. Got it? And here we go. The first question goes to Manpreet Sharma from 6th A, Buddha House. On which rank did India finish in terms of the number of medals won at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? And your time starts and option starts now.
So it's part C, 48.
Please speak loud and clear.
So it's part C, 48.
Okay, the answer is C48 as per Manpreet. So let's see the answer. Yes, congratulations. That's good, Manpreet. A correct answer. Full marks, go to you. Congratulations. Now, we have next question for Vyasyan from 6th A. That is Bhavya Kumar from 6th A. Bhavya, are you ready?
Sir, I am from 6th B.
Okay, fine. 6th B. Thank you. Now, the next question is for you. How many bronze medals did India win at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? I hope the question is clear and your time starts now.
Sir, option B 4.
Speak it loud.
Sir, option B 4.
Option B 4.
Hmm.
Congratulations. Good, Bhavya. Very good. Now the full marks go to you. Now, the next question from Dhanand House, 6th class student, Riddhi. And here is a question, Riddhi. Riddhi is ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which country won the maximum medals in the Tokyo Olympics 2020? I hope the question is clear. Now your time starts now.
United States.
You have to tell me the option also along with the answer. You have to.
Answer is B, United States.
United States. Thank you. And your answer is very good, Riddhi. Congratulations. The full marks, awarded to you. Please. So here, the rotation again, starts, and the next question goes to Buddha House, Manya from 6th class. Manya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see the question there. Who was the captain of Indian hockey team in Tokyo Olympics 2020? I hope the question is clear and your time starts now. Time is running out, Manya. Say it fast.
Sir, C, Harmanpreet Singh.
Okay, I lock your option C, Harmanpreet Singh. And let's see the answer. Oh, it's Manpreet Singh, A option. Better luck, better try next time, Manya, no worry. So here it's a wrong answer. And I'm sorry, no marks will be awarded for the same. Okay. Next question is here for Vyas House, Bhumit Man. Bhumit, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here's a question. Which of the following countries won the gold medal in volleyball women at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, here your time starts.
Sir, it's Brazil. C, Brazil.
C, Brazil. Should I lock it?
No, sir. Sir, it's D, USA.
It's you cannot retrace the answer. I told you.
Sir,
C means C. You are not supposed to retrace the answer. Once it is C means C. Now your answer is USA. I'm sorry, no marks will be awarded for the same. Thank you. Now the next question goes to Dhanand House, Tanishka Chaudhary from 6th class. Tanishka, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best. Here goes a question, please. What do the 5 rings in the Olympic symbol represent? And your options are
Sir, B, the 5 continents. Option B, the 5 continents.
thank you. Option B, the 5 continents. Here I show the answer. Very good. Congratulations. You get the full marks there. Very good, Tanishka. Now, this is the end of round 1. And here we have Anand sir to announce the score. Okay, let me just do the things. I think there is some technical problem in his device. So here, after the first round, Buddha House is on 4 marks, Vyas House is on 4 marks, and Dhanand House leading with 8 marks. Here it's leading with 4 marks, that is 8 marks total. Thank you. Congratulations, Dhanand House, and keep doing well. Now we move ahead to the next round, that is round 2. And here I think the question for 7th class will only be asked. Okay, so 7th class students, all the best and be ready. I hope you will break the leg today. Now, the first question goes to Gargi Sharma from 7th class, Buddha House. Gargi, are you ready? Do we have Gargi here? Gargi Sharma,
Yes, sir.
you are a little low. Please speak loud enough.
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, Gargi. So let's read the instruction first, that what you will be getting and how you have to answer. Fine. Who am I round? A question in the form of a clue, will be placed on the screen, and the contestant has to identify that clue and tell the name of the player within a stipulated time of 20 seconds. The participant is not allowed to retrace the answer again, okay, unless he or she is asked to repeat by the quiz master, that is me. So unless or until I ask you to repeat the answer, you won't be repeating. Once you repeat, you will not be given any marks, okay? Now the first question goes to second round goes to Gargi Sharma. So here we have the question is, I'm an Indian woman who won a consecutive medal in Olympics. Who am I? Quickly, the time is running out. Oops, I'm sorry, your time is out, and no marks will be given to you. Now let me tell you the answer of the same. It's PV Sindhu. Okay, that's PV Sindhu. Next question goes to Vyas House, and Rian Man from 7th A will be answering the question. Rian, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here's your next question. I'm the only woman golfer to participate in the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Your time is running out.
Aditya Ashok. Aditya Ashok.
Aditya Ashok. Okay, let me check the answer. Very good. Full marks go to you. Please. Congratulations, Riyan.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we have Ayush from 7th A and representing
Yes, sir.
Janand House. Ayush, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next question goes to you. I'm the first woman to participate in sailing from India in the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Who am I? Quickly. Oops, that's here. The time is running out and it's totally over. Thank you. No marks, go to you. And here is the answer. It's Netra Kumaran. Now, the next question goes in rotation again to Buddha House. And here, the question for Utsav Kumar from Buddha House. Utsav, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm the first woman to participate in fencing from India in the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Who am I? Time is running out. Quickly. Sorry, come again.
Sir, Levina. L-E-V-I-N-A.
Lavina. Okay, let me check the answer. It's C.A. Bhavani Devi. I'm sorry, it's the wrong answer. Thank you, Utsav. Now the next question for Arshia from Vyas House. Arshia, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is your next question, and please be a little fast in giving that reply. I'm the captain of the Indian women hockey team. Who am I?
Sir, Rani Rampal.
Rani Rampal is your answer, and let me check your answer if it is correct. Very good, bravo, Ayush. Arshia. Congratulations, full marks. Very good. Now we have Mayank Jalwani from Dhanand House to get the new question. Mayank, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is your question, please. I'm the first woman to cross 65 meters in the discus throw. Who am I? Time is running out, please. Oops, I'm sorry. Time is out. No marks go to you. Thank you. Better try next time, man. Anyway, participation is must. Win and lose does not matter. Now, the answer is Kamalpreet Kaur. Okay, so this is for the sake of knowledge of everyone. Kamalpreet Kaur crossed 65 meters in the discus throw. And here is the end of round 2 as well. So the scores after round 2 is here like this. Buddha House is standing with 4 marks. Vyas House standing with 12 marks. And Dhanand House is standing at the same position with 8 marks. Congratulations, Vyas House, having a lead of 4 marks. Now, all the best for the next round, everyone. So here goes the third round, and only 8th class students will be answering the question. Got it? Let me read out the rules to all of you in the direct questions round. A direct question based on Tokyo Olympics 2020 theme will be flashed on the screen, and the contestant has to answer the question within a stipulated time of 20 seconds. The participant again is not allowed to retrace the answer unless he or she is asked to repeat by the quiz master. Got it? So here, this is direct questions round, and the first question goes to Devansh Thakran, representing Buddha House.
Yes,
Devansh,
sir.
are you ready? Your
Yes,
question is here. What is the mascot of Tokyo Olympics 2020?
Sir Maraitova.
Very good. Very good. Very good. It's Maraitova. You said it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Congratulations, Devansh. Full marks. It's Miraitova. Yeah. Mascot is exactly called a lucky symbol, which is used for any quiz or for any competition as a symbol we use it. So the mascot is this. So here Miraitova was a symbol on the very beginning of the PPT. You watched it. It was the mascot of Tokyo Olympics 2020. Yes. So here the next question is there for Arihant from Vyas House. Arihant, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is here, please. Who was the flag bearer from India in the closing ceremony of the Tokyo Olympics 2020?
Sir Neeraj Chopra.
Neeraj Chopra, your answer is locked over here. Let me check the answer. I'm sorry, this was Bajrang Punia. I'm sorry, Arihant, try next time. Next, we have Bhavya Serawat from Dhananth House and from class
Yes,
A.
sir.
Are you ready? Okay, the
Yes,
question
sir.
is, let's see the question. In which weight category did Chanu Saikhom Mirabai compete in the Tokyo Olympics 2020?
Sir, 49 kilo.
Okay, let me check the answer. That's great. It's 49 kg weight category. Congratulations, Bhavya. Nice attempt. So here, the rotation begins again. Now the question goes to all the team leaders. Now the next question from Buddha House, Sakshi Bhardwaj. Are you ready, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your question is, which team captain was the flag bearer from India in the opening ceremony of the Tokyo Olympics 2020? I'm sorry, time is out, Sakshi. Try in the next round. Let me show the answer. It's hockey captain. Okay. Now, the next question goes to Shaurya Dahiya from Vyas House. Shaurya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was the official motto of the Tokyo Olympics 2020?
Sir, joined by emotions.
Sorry, will you please repeat it?
Sir, together by emotions.
Okay, let me check the answer. It's together by emotion. It's united by emotion. Yeah, it's together and united. I can take up the call, no worry. Congratulations, Shaurya. Full marks go to you. Thank you. Yeah, keep smiling like this. Thank you. Next, we have Utkarsh from Darren House. Utkarsh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is, in which weight category of wrestling did Bajrang Punia won the bronze medal for India at the Tokyo Olympics 2020?
Sir, 59.
Okay. I'll lock your answer over here. Let me check. I'm sorry, it was 65 kilo weight category. It's a wrong answer, Karsh. Try next time. Better luck next time. Okay, so this is the end of round 3. Okay, before telling you the result, let me just have a sip of water, please. Thank you so much. So now here, the marks after the round 3. Buddha House is still with 8 marks. Vyas House is leading there with 16 marks, and Danand House is at 12 marks. Congratulations, Vyas House, and all the best to all the other houses. Please keep doing well. Try your luck in the next rounds now. So now we are moving ahead to the 4th round. Are you ready, all of you? Okay. Now we have 4th round, that is jumbled words or words of wonders, you can say. So let me read out the rules for all of you. Unjumble the jumble round. The jumbled spelling of the game will be flashed on the screen. Okay, and the contestants will have to rearrange the letters to get the targeted word, what exactly the word is, within a stipulated time of 20 seconds. The participants are not allowed to retrace the answer. Got it? Now the things will again, start in rotation from 6th class. So here from Buddha House, we have next question for Manpreet Sharma. Manpreet, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is your first question, please. What is it? Tell me the name of the game fast.
Karate.
Karate. You said karate. Let me check the answer. It's karate. Congratulations, Manpreet. That's great. Great job. Now the full marks go to you. Now we have next question for Bhavya Kumar from Vyas House. Bhavya, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Here's the next question, please. You have to name the game. Tell me, what is it?
Sir, I cannot see.
It's visible, I think. I hope the slide is visible.
Pole value.
Tell me.
Sir, pole value.
Full marks go to you, Bhavya. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next question goes to Riddhi from 6th B. Danand House. Riddhi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riddhi. Your next question is, you have to identify the game name. Tell me, what is it?
Sir, the screen. Yes, sir. Sir,
Sorry, Riddhi, time is over. I can't help you out. I'm sorry. So no marks, go to you. It's out of time. Now let me check the answer. It's equestrian. Okay, equestrian. It's a game related to horse. Okay. Now the next question goes to Manya from Buddha House. Manya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
This is the game equestrian. You must be aware of. Now, Manya from Buddha House, your question is identify the game name. I'm sorry, Manya, time is over. No marks for this particular question. Your answer is fencing. This is called fencing. So here is the question. It was the question for you, but I'm sorry. Now the next question goes to Bhumit Man. Bhumit, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is the next question, please. Question is not visible. What is it? Please tell me.
Sir, I am not able to. Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, it's wrestling.
Let me check the answer. Wrestling. Congratulations. That's the right answer. Bhumit, full marks for you. You are doing a great job, everyone. Good attempt. You have taken interest in Tokyo Olympics 2020. That's a good study. Okay, next question is here for Tanishka Chaudhary from the Anand House. Tanishka, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please. Please tell me the name of the game. Sorry, time is over, Tanishka. No marks. Okay. Here, Rian has raised the hand. In case we can ask it. So, please, Rian, if you would like to answer, as it was passing round. So, Rian is from Vyas House. So, if you answer, the bonus marks, will be going to you.
Weightlifting.
Weightlifting. Let me check. Weightlifting. 2 marks go to you, the bonus points. Now, Rian from Vyas House is eligible to get 2 marks for bonus points. Students, in the beginning, I told you that the 4th round is, of course, a passing round. Here, you can pass the question if you are not aware of, but you are crossing the time limit. So please think, before going ahead. Congratulations, Rian, for the bonus point. Okay, now this is the end of round 4. And after the round 4, the scores are, it's a score time now. Buddha House standing with 12 marks. Vyas House 26 marks. We're leading 2 marks that there. Danand House is also at 12 marks. Okay. Now congratulations Vyas House again. You are leading, and congratulations. And I want to tell you that please go ahead and all the best of luck. Okay, so now 5th round is visual round. This is also a passing round. So please, in case you feel that you are not getting the answer, so please you can pass the question. Okay, so whosoever house will be giving, so 2 marks will be given to them. Okay, so let's begin. Visual round. Here the image of a player will be flashed on the screen, and the contestant has to identify the player and tell his or her name within a stipulated time of 20 seconds. The participant again is not allowed to retrace the answer, but you can pass. Okay, and now this round will totally be for 7th class. Okay.
Sir.
Now the first question from Buddha House we have here for Gargi Sharma. Gargi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gargi, your question is here. Please. Identify the person.
So I'm not able to.
Gargi, please answer. Either you can pass the question to any team. You are mute. I'm sorry, the time is over. You are mute. You did not tell the answer. Here, 2 people have raised the question, I think. Let me check. So here, Ryan from Dyanand House, Vyas House. Okay, the question is passed to Vyas House. Please, Vyas House, tell me the answer.
Kamalpreet Kaur. Kamalpreet Kaur.
Okay, let me check the answer. Yes, you are right, Ryan. It's Kamalpreet Kaur. Kamalpreet Kaur, India's best ever performer in the discus throw at the Olympics, competing in the women's final at the Olympic Stadium. The 25-year-old Kamalpreet Kaur measured her best throw at 63.70 meters. Correct? So here it was about Kamalpreet Kaur, and good answer, Ryan. 2 marks got to you. Thank you. Next question goes to Rian Man from Vyas House.
Yes, sir.
Here is the question, Rian. Name the
Sir,
person.
it's not visible. Sir, Atanu Das. Atanu Das.
Okay, you have answered. In that case, it cannot be passed. Let me check the answer. Will you please repeat the answer, Rian?
Sir, Atanu Das. Atanu Das.
Okay, let me check the answer. It's Praveen Jadhav. I'm sorry, it's the wrong answer. Praveen Ramesh Jadhav is an Indian archer at the 2019 World Archery Championships. He was a member of the first Indian team to qualify for the final since 2005. So I'm sorry, Rian, for this question. So now the next question goes to Ayush from Dyanand House. Ayush, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Please identify the person.
Sir, PR Srijesh.
Okay, let me check the answer. Right answer, Ayush, PR Srijesh. It's Paratu Ravindram Srijesh is an Indian professional field hockey player who plays as a goalkeeper from Kerala. Okay, so good, congratulations. Now, in rotation, again, we go back to the Buddha house, and the next question goes to Utsav from Buddha house. Utsav, are you ready? Utsav, can you hear me? Utsav Kumar from Buddha house. Are you there?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Here is your question, please. Tell me the name of the person. If you want to pass, you may pass the question to any other house. Sorry, time is up. And here we have one hand raised. That is Rian from Vyas house.
Sir,
Yes, Rian. You may answer.
Sharath Kamal Achanta.
Okay, let me check the answer. It's Sharath Kamal. But I think it was not the right answer which you said. Did you say Sharath
Sir,
Kamal?
I also said yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
Sharath Kamal.
Okay, fine. That's good. So it's a right answer. Sharath Kamal is an Indian professional table tennis player. In 2019, he was awarded the Padma Shri. His ITTF world ranking is 32 as of May 2021. 2 marks, go to Urian Uvia's house. Very good. Keep it up like this. Keep replying, keep answering. Bravo. Next, we have Mayank Jalwani from Janad House. Mayank, are you ready?
Yes,
You
sir.
ready? Okay, Mayank. Now the
Yes,
next
sir.
question is for you, please. Identify the person, please.
Mary Combe.
I'm sorry, let me check. It's a wrong answer. And it cannot be passed even. So here we have Saikom Marimirabai Chan. She is an Indian weightlifter from Manipur. She won the silver medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics in women's 49 kg category. Let me tell you the fact about Tokyo Olympics 2020. It has been conducted in 2021, but nowhere its name changed. It was kept Tokyo Olympics 2020 to maintain the records. So that's a new fact. So that's why don't confuse that why 2021 comes, because you people have witnessed the tournament in 2021, but it was the match. It was the tournament which was, had to happen in 2020. So that's why, keeping the thing same, they kept it Tokyo Olympics 2020 only. Got it? So, right answer. Oh, sorry, wrong answer. And no marks go for this particular question. Now, the scores time. The scores after 5th round. Buddha House is with 12 marks. Vyas House is with 30 marks. And Dhanand House is standing at 16 marks. So again, congratulations to all of you. And Vyas House is leading again. Bravo performance, very good performance. Keep doing well. Best of luck for everyone. Now we'll be moving towards the sixth round, that is perfectly imperfect round. Okay, let me tell you what exactly we are supposed to do. In perfectly imperfect round, a merged image of two players will be flashed on the screen, and the contestant has to identify the players and tell his or her name within a stipulated time of 20 seconds. The participant is not allowed to retrace the answer. Got it? So now this round is for 8th class. So only 8th class students will be answering the question. Okay. So here we have first question for Devansh Thakran from Buddha House.
Yes, sir.
Devansh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell me the name of the players. You can pass the question also. You are mute. I'm sorry, you did not answer.
Sir, I passed the question. I forgot it to unmute.
To which team you would like to pass? Tell me.
Sir, Dhanand.
Okay. Because you can decide that to whom team you can pass it. Dhanand, we have Tanishka from Dhanand House. Tanishka, you please answer for the question.
Sir, Mary Kom and Mirabai Chanu.
Will you please repeat?
Sir, Mary Kom and Mirabai Chanu.
Okay, let me check the answer. It's Mary Kom, of course, from boxing, and Saikom Mirabai Chanu, weightlifting is the correct answer. 2 marks go to Dan and Tanishka. Congratulations for the bonus points. Now, the next question goes to Arihant from Vyas House. Arihant, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please identify the players.
Sir, Rani Rampal.
Okay. And time is up. Okay, let me check the answer. Okay, Rani Rampal is correct answer, but you did not give me the second name. So only half marks will be going to you. That is Savita Punya from hockey. So 2 marks will be going to you. Thank you, Arihant. Now, the next question goes to Bhavya Sehrawat. Bhavya Sehrawat, please, from Dhanand House. Are you ready, Bhavya? Unmute yourself first. Okay.
Sir, please wait a second.
Okay.
Sir, my laptop is not working, sir. That's why I am attending the class from phone.
So I think it will be visible there as well. The answer, the image will be visible on the phone also, beta, if you join the session with them.
Okay, sir.
Should I go for the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please identify the players.
Sir, one is Manpreet Singh.
Time is over. Let me check the answer. Manpreet Singh is correct answer, but second name you didn't tell me, that is Rupinder Pal Singh from hockey, and I can give you only 2 marks for the same. Thank you so much, Bhavya. Now the rotation again, takes the thing to Buddha house, and the next question goes to Sakshi Bhardwaj, to the team leader. So here, Sakshi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here's the first question. Sorry, next question. Please identify the players.
Sir, Bajrang Punia.
Time is about 2 hours. Speak it fast.
Sir, Ravi Kumar Dhaya.
I'm sorry. So let me check it. So here we have Satish Kumar, the half name, and of course we have Ravi Daya here from wrestling. Okay, so Ravi Daya is the correct option. I can take it up. Okay, so 2 marks will be awarded to you. 2 marks will be awarded to you. Now the next question goes to Shaurya Daya from Vyas House. Shaurya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here's a question, please.
So the screen is not visible. So now it's visible. Sir, Ram.
Time is
Sir,
over.
one is Sarnam.
I'm sorry, Shaurya. You tried it and you didn't pass also. So please, it's a wrong answer. Let me check the correct answers. So here we have Monica Batra and Kamalpreet Kaur. You are mute. You are mute. Please unmute yourself first, Shaurya. Yes, please tell me now. You were saying something?
No, sir. Sir, but
It's
I
okay.
said Kamal Preet.
But you were not sure. You didn't announce the answer.
Sir, but he said that one is Kamal Preet. He only said that Kamal Preet and he didn't say that it is left or right. But he said Kamal Preet.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but that time was
Okay. Okay,
The time was
fine.
not over.
Sir, the time was over.
No, sir, time was not over.
Okay, it's my
Yes,
call.
sir, that-
It's my call. It's my call, everyone. And no one has given you the right to interrupt in between. So this is my call. I don't give you the marks because I couldn't hear properly, and you didn't hear it properly. So in the beginning, it was told to you, please reply it in a clear tone, not just because you were pronouncing in a way as if you're discussing or just maybe cramming, that you are confused. You didn't surely tell me that it was Kamalpreet Kaur. So I'm sorry, I don't take the call, and no marks will be given to you for this question. I'm really sorry for this. Now, the next question goes to Utkarsh from the Anand House. Utkarsh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please identify the player's name.
Sir, the screen. Sir, one is Neeraj Chopra.
And the second one, quickly.
Sir,
Sorry, time is over. Let me check the answer. So one answer, you said Neeraj Chopra, it's correct. But second one, you could not speak up and you didn't tell me the answer. So only 2 marks I can award you, and Utkarsh will be getting 2 marks here. Okay. So here, this is the end of round 6. And after that, the scores time. Let me check the scores. So here, Buddha House is with 14 marks. Vyas House has scored 32 marks, and Dhanand House 22 marks. Congratulations to all of you. Great performance. You exhibited a really great performance. So congratulations. Win and lose does not matter. It really matters that participation. You all are doing good and doing a great job. Don't worry. So here now we have round 7, and it is a discussion round. So here, let me read out the rules, the things for you, what exactly we are supposed to do. Number-based questions round. Numbers 1 to 6 will be displayed on the screen. A team can choose any one number in the first attempt and subsequently the second in the next attempt. Okay. The question related to any game assigned to the number will be flashed on the screen, and the contestant has to answer the question within a stipulated time of 20 seconds. So here contestant will be, the team leader will only be there who will be answering the question. Okay. You discuss, and the participant is not allowed to retrace the answer once the team leader or team captain speaks up. Second opinion will not be taken or will not be considered. Got it? I request, wait, let me finish. When the first time the question goes to Buddha House, all the other houses will keep themselves on mute. No one will be raising the hand, okay, unless or until they pass the question. So this much patience you have to keep, everyone. So let them pass the question first. Then, of course, I'll be checking. It's my call, okay, to let me check that where I'll be giving the question. Fine. So first question will be going to Buddha House. So in that case, Buddha House students will, or participants will only be unmuting themselves to discuss, and final answer will be given only by team captain, and you have to do it a little fast because time is there. Okay. Yes, Rian, I can take up your query now, please. Yes, Rian.
Sir, yes, sir. I wanted to ask that, like, we can discuss openly by, we can discuss, like, the team members can discuss that what is the answer, but the answer which is given by the captain will be taken.
Yes.
So, but if
So
we are
here,
discussing and he has just given an idea, then also that answer would be taken, or if we say that final answer is this, then that answer would be taken.
who come again? Last thing, please repeat it.
So, like the captain is giving his point of views, and we like he's saying the answer is Rani Rampal, but the answer is something else. And if we say, and so that answer would be taken, or when he would say that this is the final answer and please take this, or then
Only
the
the
answer would
team
be
leader,
taken.
only the team captain's answer will be acceptable. Sakshi Bhardwaj from Buddha House will be speaking the answer. Shaurya Daya from Vyas House will be speaking the answer, and Utkarsh from Dhanand House will be speaking the answer. You can discuss, but it will be answer spoken by a team captain will be acceptable. Got it? So are you ready? Buddha House? Okay. The first question for Buddha House. Buddha House students, please unmute yourself for the discussion. Time limit is there. So very quickly you can discuss. Okay. Here is your first question. Choose the number, please. Team captain, choose the number.
Sir, 5.
Is this Sakshi? Set 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once whatever the numbers will be selected, next time it cannot be chosen again. Okay. So once only it can be chosen. 5. Here is your image, and here is your question. Name the Indian judo player who participated in the Tokyo Olympics 2020. If anyone knows from Buddha House, please.
Anyone knows the answer?
I'm
Sir.
sorry, time is up. Now
Get
the
the
question
answer
is passed to Vyas house. Yes, Vyas house.
Sir, I think so. The answer is Sushila.
Okay, let me check the answer, please. Team captain, Shaurya Diya will answer.
Sir, same by me.
Shaurya? Final call.
Sir, same by me.
Okay.
Sir,
Speak again.
Sushila Devi.
Okay. Correct answer. 2 marks go to Vyas house. Correct answer. Sushila Devi. That was the Indian judo player. That's what. Okay. Now the next question goes to, next chance is given to Vyas house to choose a number. Yes, Vyas house, team captain Shaurya, choose a number.
Sir, 2.
Okay. Okay, now the next, here is a question, please. Name the athletics event in which men and women compete together as a team. Quickly. Vyas house, discuss and please tell me fast.
Rian, do you know the answer?
I think mixed relay. Mixed relay. Relay. Mixed relay. Mixed relay.
Shaurya will answer.
Correct.
Shaurya will take the call. Shaurya, you can only tell the answer.
But I think so. Some network issue is there on this side.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I think
Sir, his
Shaurya
video is
has.
not coming. Microphone audio is not coming. He's just
Shaurya, can you hear me? Shaurya?
Sir, my voice is coming.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, my voice is
Shaurya?
coming.
Yes. Now it's there. Please tell me the final answer.
Sir, mixed relay.
Mixed relay. Okay, let me check the answer, please.
Yes, sir.
It's medley relay, not the mixed relay. It's 4 into 400 meters. It's a wrong answer. No marks, you get for the same. Okay. So here, now the next question goes to Dhanand house. Dhanand house, be ready. Utkarsh is the captain. So please be ready. Your question is here, Utkarsh, for Dhanand house.
Sir, it is not visible.
Just wait. Who's the number, Utkarsh?
Sir, number 4.
Okay. Your question is, make it fast. How many rounds are there in boxing match and what is the duration of each round? Team can discuss and
It
answer.
should be 12 rounds. 12 rounds.
Only Utkarsh
It's
can
12
answer.
rounds.
Sir, 12 rounds.
Okay, let me check the answer. It's 3 rounds, 3 minutes. No marks, and it was not passed even. Fine. So you have answered it. So that's 3 rounds, 3 minutes. No marks for the same. Okay, now we again go in rotation and the question go to Buddha house. Now, Buddha house, please choose your number.
Sir, excuse me.
And now Sakshi can choose the number.
Sir, we will choose 6.
Okay, 6. Okay, here's a question, please. Which type of archery is used in the Olympics?
Anyone knows the answer? Manpreet Gargi.
Which type of archery is used in the Olympics?
Answer is recurve bow, I think.
Sakshi, please take the call.
Bow.
Bow.
Go.
Recurve bow.
Sir, the answer is peekaboo.
Let me check the answer. It's recurve bow. Congratulations with the house. Full marks. Now, the next question goes to Vyas house. And please, Vyas house, just wait. Choose your option. Which number you would like to choose now? 1 and 3 is left.
Sir,
Yes, sure. 1. Okay. Here is a question. How many seconds are given for a penalty shootout in a hockey match?
Sir, the screen is not visible. Sir, 8 seconds. Sir, 8 seconds. Shall I give the answer 8 seconds?
Sir, 8 seconds.
Okay, thank you. Within the time you have given the answer, 8 seconds, let me check. 8 seconds, full marks to Vyas house. 4 marks go to Vyas house. Now we have one more, option or number left. Now Dhanand house has no choice to select the number. So I think 3 will be there. Dhanand house, Utkarsh, please be ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here is your question. PV Sindhu lost semi-final against which player in the Tokyo Olympics 2020?
Does anyone knows the answer?
I know. Tai Zuying.
Tai Zui.
Utkarsh, final answer. Okay. Just let
I
me check
did-
the answer. Let me take the answer. Yeah, it's Tai Zu Ying. Full marks go to Dhanand house. Congratulations and a great job. It was not
Excuse me, sir.
expected. Yes, Riyan.
Sir, actually, our captain just is getting reconnecting with the just rejoining the meeting. Some network issue was there.
It's okay, no worry. Just make it fast. In between, I think this was the end of 7th round, and in that meanwhile, you can join. No problem. Now the scores after the 7th round. Buddha House is standing with 18 marks. Vyas House with 38 marks, and Dhanand House. Vyas House with 38 marks and Dhanand House 26 marks. So congratulations again to all the houses for doing a great job. Now we are moving ahead to the last round of the event, that is video round. And yes, please, Shaurya.
Sir, someone made me out of the class of the competition. Sir, then I connected again.
It's okay, no worry. Maybe some technical issue will be there. No worry. Now you are in. Congratulations again. So next we are there with the 8, and after this result will be announced to you. So I'll request Sumesh sir to say a few words on the performance of the participants. In the meanwhile, result will be shared with you, Sumesh sir. Anand sir will be forwarding, or Shankar sir will be forwarding to you. So please, your words of wisdom, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Just wanted to see what videos you were supposed to show the team sports.
Actually, sir, there is a
Anyway,
problem due to internet connectivity, and the files are big, so it's, I think, not being shared. So that's why physical department has taken this call that after the 7th round only they are finishing it up. So that's why we have concluded the session after the 7th round. I'm sorry for the same. Sorry for the inconvenience.
It's all right. It's okay. But then what I'll suggest is that, just thinking beyond that, is that you can share, I'll request sports department that they can share the video later on with the kids so that they can, go through those video and can understand what all questions we were thinking of sharing with them. Okay.
Sure, sir,
My
sure.
humble request to sports department is that they can share the same with the kids. Number one. Number two, I could see that the children were quite enthusiastic in answering their questions. Especially Rian, he was like bouncing onto to almost all the questions. It's good to see this enthusiasm and the knowledge as well, which I think is one of the important feature which is going to make these child look different in future, because GK is the type of field where there is no limit. You keep on learning, you keep on coming to you in different shapes. So it's good that the children, they are taking interest, especially sports, which is very difficult these days to conduct, to get it happen. So staying back at home, at least you can be a part of sports at least through these questions and quizzes. So wonderful attempt by the kids. The result has just reached me, so I could see it's there in front of me on my screen. Before that, I would suggest one more thing. Like, if in case you are preparing and you've been already might have been told the areas where you need to prepare yourself, which area you're supposed to venture and learn as far as GK is concerned, then the most important thing is that you need to prepare it thoroughly. Preparation of certain thing thoroughly means that even the accent and pronunciation part of certain certain words are also to be taken care. So I could see that the children, they were responding well, but obviously the pronunciation part was lacking. So it's good that they know the terminology, but they should also be knowing how to pronounce those terminology. So that's what the suggestion of mine is. You see, this time quite handsome medals were backed up by Indians, but then there are a lot of many more to come in coming Olympics, whenever it's going to happen, wherever it may be. So good attempt by the kids, a good quiz prepared by sports department. Obviously, there are 3 houses. I have been mentioning this in past as well. Nobody is the loser. First, second, third. One house will definitely get. I mean, every house is going to get certain position, but somebody has to be first. So, any guesses from the kid side who's going to be the first as far as the points tally is concerned? Vyas house. All right. What about? So nobody else is speaking. What about Dayanand house? I cannot hear Ridhi and Tanishka.
Sir, second position.
Dayanand is at second and then Buddha is at third.
So why second, Dayanand? And why Buddha third? I could see in the first round Buddha was leading. What happened to Buddha house? Can anybody unmute from Buddha house and let me know? Utsav or Gargi or Manya, anyone would have unmuted and let me know why after the first round they got so less points. Nobody is speaking. Devansh Thakran is also there. Can I hear from Devansh Thakran? What was the point problem?
One question I was giving answer, but I forgot to unmute. That's
even your okay. See, Devansh, even your pronunciation part was lacking. Okay. In some of the terminology you couldn't even pronounce, so that can also be a matter. Anyway, keep appearing for such competitions. GK especially will take you somewhere good. Anyway, it's okay. Hard luck for Buddha house. So I start from the back. Buddha house, obviously the third. The children have already decided. Dayanand second, and obviously Vyas is going to be the winner with 38 points. Congratulations, Dayanand house and the team. Very well done. But Rian, you need to be controlling yourself, your emotions. Okay, okay. I know you might be knowing the answer. That's good, very good. But then ensure that you need to hear the terms and conditions of the competition carefully. If I would have been in place of Tarun sir, I would have definitely given you, 0 in 1 or the 2 points because you are unnecessarily poking in. So don't do that. Let the host manage everything, okay? Just, it's okay to clear the doubts, but these doubts would have been clear yesterday only when it was a practice session. It was not supposed to be done today. But then it's okay. I found your curiosity quite handsome and quite good. But avoid it happening when it's final day and the show is going on. You cannot interrupt and go like this in between. That can annoy any of the hosts, which can actually cost you some points. So don't do that. Rest is fine. Thanks a lot for giving me an opportunity to announce the result. And Tarun, nice work.
Thank you, sir.
Sports department, excellent work. Anand, quite prompt in sending me the result as usual. Thank you. Very fast. And all the best the kids for some other events, whichever is coming on your way. Take it wholeheartedly and perform well. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. At the end, I would like to give my wholeheartedly, word of thanks to everyone. And thank you so much for joining this competition, and especially to students. I think without you, nothing is impossible. So great, and lot of thanks, to all of you. And you really, made the event great. Again, those who could not do well, no problem. Winning and lose is the part of life, but participation matters, and you did a great job. So thank you so much for everyone for making this event great. Thank you, Sumesh sir. Thank you, Anand sir. Thank you, Rajaguru sir, Shankar sir, everyone who did, the real work behind this quiz competition. And again, all the best to all of you. Thank you so much, everyone. Sir, if you allow, shall I end the session?
Please.